Okay, Sudhanshu, do you think quarantine मतलब लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा प्रोड्यूसर्स, एक्टर्स, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके प्रोजेक्ट्स कुछ रुक गए हो, कुछ रिलीज नहीं हो पा रहे हैं, a lot of things are happening, नुकसान बहुत ज्यादा हुआ है जिसकी वजह से हम देख रहे हैं बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है, पेमेंट्स टाइम पे नहीं हो रहे हैं, actors are not getting their payments, producers are suffering losses, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे एक्टर्स जो हैं वो सुसाइड, दे चूज दैट थिंग, क्योंकि पेमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे टाइम पर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. यू थिंक कि व्हाट आर योर व्यूज?
See, I'll tell you something. It's a क्या बोलते हैं उसे, प्लेसिबो इफेक्ट बोलते हैं ना, वो जो एक चीज गिरती है तो बाकी पूरा वो गिरता चला जाता है. I don't know what some sort of effect it's called. Coronavirus has not just affected us, it has affected, it's a pandemic, right? It's globally affected everything. And it's a chain reaction. It's not like it has been limited to only US or only China or only Spain or Italy. Everywhere, every single human being has been affected. Tell me one person who's not been affected by coronavirus. So every industry is obviously affected, and film industry, is no different. What has happened is that there are various levels of pressures also on producers and directors and everybody. So today, essentially, the pressure, is looked at very differently. There was a time when producers used to put in their own money. And at that time, if they अगर उनका पैसा डूबता था तो बेचारे बर्बाद हो जाते थे. But today, things work differently. Today, the money comes in from the corporates, the big corporates, right? The big corporates like what should I say, a PVR or an Eros or a Viacom or 20th Century Fox or Warner Brothers. So it comes from there, and they're all public limited companies, right? So it's the pressure is not really on the producer. There is pressure of work, there is pressure of timeline, there's pressure of finishing the projects. All of that is there, but it is not really a pressure of money so much than the pressure of completing things. But when you come to the lower rung, or let's first go to the actors who charge a lot of money. So actors who've charged a lot of money, they've got enough money. But the actors who are working on the lower rung, where they've charged $5 grand or maybe 10 grand a day or whatever, and maybe they've worked only 10 days in a month. And for them, when this business has come to a screeching halt, has sort of given them a lot of negative impact, I would say, and I feel really sad for them, because it's not their fault. Everybody has their dreams, and everybody dreams, and we all have we all plan, we all make so many plans, we buy properties, we buy cars, we take so much of loans on our heads, then we have EMIs to pay. So we all do that, all of us do that, and nobody could have ever foreseen a situation like this, where a global pandemic would happen, and everything will come to a halt. So I guess everybody is suffering, but for the actors and for people, for daily wages who are really suffering genuinely, they're going through a very bad time. All I can say is that, the producers who have the money, or who can help, they should help and release the payments for most of these actors and the daily wages, so that they can at least run their kitchen, and at least that kind of pressure is off their head. Like you said, that there are a couple of actors who committed suicide. It's very sad, it's very unfortunate, and all I can say is that it's not the solution, because end of the day, nothing stays forever. There is nothing permanent. So even coronavirus or this situation or this pandemic is not permanent. What we must do is hang in there and just wait for this to just pass. That is all we can do, because tomorrow we must believe that tomorrow is going to be better than yesterday. And that's the only way. You've got to tell that to yourself every day, every single minute, and only that way you can survive and get past this tough time. And tomorrow will be a better day. Tomorrow will be, will bring a lot of great news, and you never know what brilliant stuff might happen tomorrow. So you've got to hang in there. You can't just give up with the temporary pressure on your head.